Yellowed, stained, molded, handmade, and paper. All things that this beautiful vintage wedding gown has in common. Gowns like these are one in a million, and family heirlooms are irreplaceable. So although this restoration is going to be a challenge, it's definitely going to be worth it. After all the metal is cut off, it's time for a pre-soak to help prepare and protect the fabric during the cleaning process. As you'll soon see, this gown has a lot to get rid of, and the pre-soak itself helped the dress to release nicotine. Now, you might be wondering, how do we know this is from cigarettes? Well, let's just say be thankful that this video doesn't have smell-o-vision, because as soon as the dress hit the water, the smell came back in full force. But now, it's ready for a sodium perborate bath, which will help to remove the oxidation, stains, and mold, as well as the lingering nicotine, and the dress is left to soak overnight. The next day, the dress is completely unrecognizable. The yellow is gone, and although the majority of the stains came out, it's not quite there yet. So Bill starts an Aflon bath to take care of what little is left behind. And this time, the dress is only left to soak for a few hours. Just look at the difference. It's hard to believe that this is even the same dress. But now, it's time to be wet cleaned on our hand wash cycle. Now, it's hung to dry in the dress sauna. The next day, Bill takes on the task of removing the stubborn drink stains that were left over. Starting with titanium stripper, heating it with the steam gun, and then applying Rusco to neutralize it. As you can see, this helped a bit, but not completely. So after drying it, we move on to the next step. But first, another pre-soak to prepare the fabric. Then, optical brightener. This product works as it suggests. It truly brightens the fabric. The gown goes in for a few minutes before moving over to the washer to be wet cleaned again. And after drying, we move on to the final part of the cleaning process, which is dry cleaning. This helps to restore the fabric by rehydrating it and bringing back the texture and the shine. Now we're finally ready to begin the finishing process. And this is where Bill truly brings back to life these beautiful vintage pieces. Bill's skills never cease to amaze me. Here, as you can see, he gets extremely creative in pressing these unique waves on the back of the gown. And now, he can move on to pressing the body of the dress. Finally, we're ready for the before and afters. This gown went from yellowed, stained, and molded to bright, vibrant white, and not a stain in sight. This transformation is truly incredible. and now it's ready to return home. What makes restorations like this so special is knowing that something once thought to be ruined forever can still be saved with enough patience, care, and love. This gown carried decades of history in every stain, every fold, and every fragile stitch. Handmade pieces like this are more than just dresses. They're memories, family stories, and moments frozen in time. Watching it transform from yellowed and damaged to bright and beautiful again is truly emotional, because it means that this heirloom gets another chance to be cherished instead of forgotten. And now, after everything this gown has survived, it's finally ready to go back home where it belongs.